Today was kind of a thrill ride out there, Ray.
Yeah.
Pretty darn windy.
Yeah, this is one of those gusty setups. Just in the 4 o'clock hour, we had wind gusts over 50 miles per hour in Pittsburgh. They're still in the 30 mile per hour range, but that's still quite gusty. But these winds will start to wind down, I think, as this evening continues, especially after the sun sets. Right now, we have 50 degrees, some showers in spots around. It feels like 50 because you don't have wind chills when you're in your 50s. And what we have is a wind at 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to 37 recorded in the last hour. Now, these wind gusts will start to fall off as the night continues, especially after the sun sets. And then tomorrow, still a little breezy, but nothing like what we've been dealing with today. Temperatures tonight go down to the low to mid 30s in most cases. I think a pretty average night temperature wise. And then tomorrow we'll get back into the lower 50s, and this is right where a temperature should be. Up to the north, you could see a little cooler Franklin, Clarion, and Du Bois, but most everyone else low to mid 50s. We still have some showers working through. Most of these are pretty light. You might occasionally get a little steadier one embedded in there, but you can see the coverage even just west of Pittsburgh is starting to lighten up a little bit. So as that sun gets lower in the sky and we're losing that energy, I think a lot of this rain is going to start to fizzle out, and we'll end up clearing our skies into the coming hours. But tomorrow, after some sunshine to kick off the morning, I think by lunchtime we start seeing the clouds work back in, especially Pittsburgh and south, and I-70 and south especially. There's a chance of a few sprinkles, but I think most of us end up with a drier day tomorrow. However, Wednesday, we could see a few flakes. I don't think this is big in the way of snow in any way, shape, or form. I don't even think enough to accumulate on windshields the way things look right now. But just know midweek we could see a couple flakes. That's where our temperatures sort of hit the lowest point in the dip before we start to see these temperatures skyrocketing towards the weekend. I hope you like the 70s because those are coming back for a couple days. I just wish we had all the other nice weather to come along with those warmer temps. 35. After some evening sprinkles, we're going to clear the skies out. The winds are going to start to dial back, and I think we're going to be in for more of a pleasant type evening and overnight. 52, clouds on the increase tomorrow. A few sprinkles, especially I-70 and south. Again, not looking like a washout, but a little breezy, but not like what we had today. The bottom of the barrel temperature-wise is Wednesday. We're only going to top off in the mid-40s there. That's the day that's cold enough for a few random flakes. Thursday back to sunshine. We'll take a 10-degree jump. Then we get to the 60s on Friday with some showers. I think the weekend, both days come with temperatures in the low to mid-70s. Right now, if you're planning on doing something outside, Saturday's the better of the 2 days with rain showers showing up on Sunday. Some of those will carry over even into Monday of next week in the morning, and those temperatures will be held back a little bit, only in the lower 60s.